but last 9 kilometers is going to be Bone Shaker Road.
Hello, my dear travel lovers. Welcome to the second episode of our Kerala series. After visiting the lovely Nilgiri Thars in the Ervakulam National Park and enjoying the scenic view at the famous Eco Point, we were all excited to witness the toughest off-road destination, that is Kolakkumalai. We had no clue if that was a good decision to go to Kolakkumalai in the late evening, and that too when the nature is showing the signs that it is gonna downpour heavily.
I don't know why this guy is not willing to come out of the car even after seeing heaven. Do you want to see the heaven? No? Okay. To the viewers, I will show what the heaven looks like. Madam is enjoying Maggie and pineapple right in front of these beautiful hills. It's drizzling very lightly. Time to take a break. I need to get one more Maggie for my kid.
Just less than a kilometer, we saw a small and beautiful Chinna Canal waterfalls. It was already around 4, getting dark, and started raining. We could not spend much time as we were getting late to start our thrilling Kolakkumalai safari.
We reached Suryanelli at around 4 p.m. It's raining cats and dogs here. So I don't know how much you can hear, and even now it's raining very badly. But still, we decided to opt for the jeep safari to Kolakkumalai View Point. So from Suryanelli to the viewpoint, it's around 13 kilometers. In that first 3 to 4 is little bumpy road, patchy road. But last 9 kilometers is going to be a small accident between auto and the jeep guy. I think the mistake was of our jeep driver, and they are negotiating right now. Hope they negotiate faster and we can resume the journey. The auto is a little damaged. Hi there. Hey. Bone Shaker Road. finally we have arrived. The time now is around 5:30. For today, I think we are the last tourists. Ours is the last jeep. The weather doesn't look promising. It's still raining, still foggy. Let's wait for a few more minutes and see if we get some clear view of the mountain. So from the parking place, just we three are going towards the Kolakkumalai View Point. Unfortunately, there won't be any view for us, but we just want to experience this, the monsoon forest rain. How is it?
It is very good.
How is it, Tanu?
Very, very good. Come guys, let's go.
Overall summary of Kolakkumalai trip. So we came by car, came to Suryanelli, and we have parked our car there in a safe place. And then we inquired one jeep driver who was quite friendly and he knew Hindi, so which made us to communicate better. What we have paid is around 2,500 rupees for one jeep, and that goes to the government. That's not for the driver, so there is no chance of any negotiation here. And the drive uphill to Kolakkumalai, it was around 1 hour, 13 kilometers, and we have come to a viewpoint right now. It's still raining, there's nothing to see, it's just an experience. I'll just show you how it looks right now, and we will go back to the car. So Kolakkumalai is mainly famous for its beautiful sunrise. This is known to have one of the most beautiful sunrises in South India. So people come here as early as 3:35, 4 a.m. in the morning, and they witness the first glimpse of the sun from Kolakkumalai viewpoint. We were sure it will be misty today, so we did not venture for the early drive to Kolakkumalai. We thought in the evening at least it will be little clear, but we were wrong. It's misty, it's more misty. So viewpoint, there's nothing much right now for us, but when you come here, please don't miss the sunrise, or at least even if you come in the evening, do not miss the view of the jaguar, which also we may miss, and the big mountain from where the sunrise can be seen. Now it's around 5:45 p.m. So we'll go back to the jeep. There's a small canteen there, and we had a hot tea. Now it's time to go back. I don't know, some kind of a worm, but it's huge. It's lightning very badly, so before it gets dark, let's get to the safe place. That's our jeep at the parking place. Be careful, steps are, mind your steps. So with this, we are ending our day 2 at Kolakkumalai. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, even after showing so many beautiful places, offbeat places in India, that's unfair. Please do subscribe to my channel, and see you tomorrow. That's our day 3 of the trip in Kerala.